Welcome to today's meditation to manifest a text from a specific person. Now let's begin. Find a quiet space and get comfortably seated or lie down with your eyes closed. Take a deep inhale and a slow exhale. Empty your mind of all worries and concerns. Take another deep inhale and slow exhale, letting go of any tension in your body. With every inhale, cleanse your spirit and mind. And with every exhale, release all doubts and fears. You are about to connect to the divine inside of you. That part of you is perfect. That part of you is listening right now, waiting for your command. Now visualize your specific person. See their face, their eyes, their hair, their nose, their skin, their body. See everything that makes them unique. Admire the mere sight of them. Smell them. Feel yourself become one with their presence. Hear them say to you, I am so happy to see you. I miss you so much. I crave your presence. I adore everything about you. I care about you so much. I am ready to start spoiling you. Thoughts of you have been on their mind 24/7. The more they think of you, the more they value you and your love. They are ready to open up and tell you everything that they have been feeling. So they grab their phone, they scroll through their contacts to find your name, they click on your name. Now imagine the exact message they are typing to you right now. See the message that they have typed for you and read it a few times. Your specific person feels love and desire for you in their heart as they click the send button to send you this message. This love message is now being sent to you. Now imagine hearing the message receive tone on your phone. Visualize grabbing your phone and holding it in your hand. You look and see that you have received a text from your specific person. You tap on the message and read it several times. How is this message making you feel right now? Whatever that feeling is, let it fill your entire body. This feeling is radiating throughout your entire body as you read this message over and over again. Now say to yourself, thank you, universe. My specific person has texted me everything that I have been wanting to hear. It is done. Now start to bring awareness back to your body. Take a deep inhale and a long exhale, and open your eyes. hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they text me everything I want to hear to affirm this meditation. And let me know in the comment section how you felt during this meditation. And if you would like to get your specific person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. I can help you get your love back fast and easy, like I have helped my thousands of other clients. I have thousands of 5-star reviews. You can come check them out on my website, joybyjanell.com. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next meditation.